Hi, in today's video I'll be showing you how to unscrew the stuck drain pump filter in your Bosch washing machine. These are the tools that I'll be using: drill, pliers, hook pick, T20 Torx bit and a 6mm socket. This is a drain pump housing out of a Bosch washing machine. That's what it looks like. That's your filter. That should unscrew all the way and come out. The reason it gets stuck is because you've left something in your washing. Could be anything: hair clips, coins, could be a pen, and then it goes into this hose. You can see your pump just doesn't unscrew. So in order to open this, you have to remove whatever is stuck in this pipe here. So once everything's out of there, we can pull out the filter. There's no point of forcing it, because all you'll do is simply snap this little handle and it will still be stuck in there, and then you'll be up for a new filter. So save yourself some money and just do what I'll show you in the video. Start by removing the lid by unscrewing the two screws at the back. Once the screws are undone, the lid just slides off. Remove the dispenser. The front fascia is held by 3 screws behind the dispenser. Once the 3 screws are removed, the front fascia can be unclipped. Press on the internal clip to release the panel. Unclip the wiring harness for the front fascia from the hooks. At this stage, it's best to drain any water that's left in the machine. Use the small emergency draining hose to drain all the water from the machine. Using a hook pick, remove the spring clamp that holds the door seal in place. Hook the hook into the eye of the spring and pull it off. Remove the seal from the lip of the front cabinet and push it inside the machine. There's 2 screws under the machine that need to be removed. Use the 6mm socket to unscrew them. Remove the final 2 screws from the front panel, and this should let you take the front panel off. Don't pull the front panel off too far from the machine. Disconnect the door lock first, and once the door lock is disconnected, the front panel can be completely removed. Remove the single screw that holds the pump housing cover. Place a flat tray under the hose to catch any water and debris after you disconnect the hose from the pump housing. Once you disconnect the hose, you can see the reason as to why you cannot unscrew your drain pump filter. In this case, it was tabs from the shirt collars. Use the long nose pliers to pull out any debris from the drain pump housing. Shake out any debris that could be left in the hose. By now you should be able to unscrew the filter. Once you pull out the filter, don't forget to have a good look inside the chamber. There could be more debris left behind, like this coin. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dirt. Wipe away any water that might have spilled into the base of the washing machine and clean the inside of the beginning of the hose. Once the hose is cleaned up, it's ready to go back on. Firstly, put the hose clamp on and then refit the hose. Use your pliers to fit the clamp over the hose to hold it securely. Refit the filter and refit the housing decorative panel. Now the front panel of the machine is ready to go back on. Guide the emergency door release lever into its position and reattach the connector for the door lock. Align and clip in the front panel and refit the two screws that hold it at the top. Don't forget about the two 6mm screws underneath the machine. Refit the door seal to the front cover of the washing machine. Fit the lip of the door seal onto the groove of the front cover. Once the door seal has been nicely fitted, refit the spring clamp. Insert the hook pick into the eye of the spring and stretch it as you are putting on the rest of the wire. Once you have finished fitting the spring clamp, double check to make sure it's on properly. Before putting the front fascia, reclip the wiring harness into the two hooks. Align and clip the front fascia back onto the machine. Refit the 3 screws. and slide the detergent drawer back into the housing. Refit the lid and secure it with the 2 screws in the back. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you next time.